Today I'm going to show you things that I picked up from Dollar Tree just to do mystery grab bags for the month of February. So Valentine's is going to be here pretty quick, so I wanted to kind of get these out and going just to get them out in my customers' hands. So basically I stopped at Dollar Tree and I picked up these treat bags, and this was $1.25 for 20 pieces. And then I also picked up these bags right here. It comes with 6. I didn't pick up a lot just because I don't really have a lot on hand, so I kind of just wanted a little bit of a different option. I guess I can show you what my ideas are. So I did these car kits, and they literally did so well. I had like 10, and I have 2 left just because they haven't picked up their order. But this is basically what it looks like. This is for, a loop bag from Dollar Tree, and this is what it looks like. You get 20 of them. Oh, you get 20 of them in here, and they just all fell in my lap. This is what it looks like. It comes with the twisties, too. So I just put the fan, the box in here, and it has the USB cable and the warranty, and then the pods. So that's one bag. And I put about a little bit of crinkle paper, and I got that as well from Dollar Tree. Then I did this one. I was in this bag, but since I'm doing Valentine's, I switched it to this one. And the same thing. But the thank you stickers, I got 2 rolls off of Amazon for very cheap. And this is what it looks like. And I just kind of slapped them on there. So what I wanted to tell you guys was you do not have to spend an arm and a leg just to have, you know, cute little Valentine's bags. Because I looked on Pinterest, and I try to look through like Facebook, through the tags and all that. But honestly, I feel like a lot of people were spending a lot of money on Amazon. So clearance and Dollar Tree would be your best friend, especially starting off. Do not put a lot of money into this business if you have not made any. That is my big thing. So these were originally $3, and I got them for like 90 cents. And this one as well from Target, $3.90. Look in the holiday clearance section. And I know Hobby Lobby has, I think, like 80% off of their Christmas ribbons and stuff. So definitely stock up on those for the holidays. And like I said, these can be used for any holiday just because of the colors. Like, it's not, you know, no Christmas trees or anything, so I feel like you can get away with that. And the mystery bags that I have that I wanted to show you, and I like how it's frosted, so it does kind of give the illusion of you kind of not know what it is, unless you know your Scentsy stuff, and you can kind of see, like, you know, the Little Mermaid on there and stuff like that. But in this bag, I have the cleaner. Then I put a room spray by the sea, you know, kind of keeping it within the theme. And then a wax bar. So this would be like your restroom essentials, or, you know, whatever you want to do with this. So I did have a label maker. I don't know where it's at, so I don't know. I did put the prices on here just for me, because whenever I go and bring a box over to my friend's house or to family, and they're like, how much is this? How much is that? I don't have to pull up the website, you know. We'll do the same bag. So let's see. I have body wash. This is the Jeweled Pomegranate. Oh, I love the hand soap. I have that one in my restroom. Then Cloudberry Dream lotion. So this could be body care. If you have another body care, like a body spray, definitely put that in here. So it'll be a body care. But you can definitely leave it like this. I'm probably going to throw a wax in and put that in there. So put a wax in there, and then on Facebook I'll be like, message me, or I'll probably put like prices down on the list, and then be like, mystery grab bags, tell me your price point, how much you want, and that's how much I would put in there. And also I do believe that you could put plus tax and shipping on there. I'm just not too familiar of like how much you can add on top of it, and you do have to tell your customers that you are adding, like I said, for the tax and for the packaging. And that's why I go back to saying don't spend too much on your bags, or like throwing extra things in there, because, you know, you don't want to be spending all this money on extra goodies when you're losing out, and then you're keeping the price as $10 and that's it, you know. So what I like to do is just probably add a dollar and something, or just $1 flat on top of what they're already spending, just to cover up my shipping that I'm paying. And then of course, so 50 cents will be towards shipping, and then 50 cents will be towards the bags. Boom, you already got that paid. So whenever I go and drop the bags off, I like to keep this clear bag with me, so it's easy whenever I go to people's houses to do the drop off. I just lay them in here, and then I'm like, oh, I'm at so-and-so's house, this is what they ordered. It's easy for me to grab and go. So there's that. And then I also keep these boxes. I was debating on putting bulbs in there because I don't have like just the white bulbs. I have colored bulbs. So I don't know how my customers would feel about colored bulbs. So I don't think I'm going to add those in there just yet. So like I said, I keep, let me not show my address. All my stuff in these bags. I have this one. I don't have a bag that fits this because it's not going to fit in one of these loop bags or whatever. But I know I'm going to do this in a wax bar just so I can get these off my hands because, yeah, it's just taking up room. And then whenever I do have like these room sprays, I do keep whatever scents on hand so no one is spraying the product and, you know, using it because I'm not going to want something sprayed by somebody that goes one of my scent sprays, you know. And then, of course, the pods. I don't know if I'm going to throw the pods in there just because I don't have a lot of people that have the fans, but if someone does order a mystery bag and they have bought in a fan from me before, like a wall fan or the car fans, I will throw this in their goodie bags because I can remember who did and who didn't. But other than that, oh, and essential oil. I can remember a few people that have essential oils in their houses. So, you know, it's good to keep tabs on like certain customers. Like, hey, I remember they bought a diffuser, so let me go ahead and throw in one of these in their bags, you know, just to get things off your hands and it's just not sitting there. But basically, what I'm trying to say is don't go crazy with packaging. Even my customers, like, whenever I keep these bags, definitely keep any of the bags that you get from Scentsy. So if I can package it up for them and send them on their way, they are perfectly happy. If you have any suggestions, any ideas that you want to throw at me, or even want me to check out your page, feel free to leave it all down below. I will definitely do more of these if you like them. If you want to see more of my packaging, I'll probably even do like a package with me on a day. But definitely follow and leave a comment down below. And let's just figure this out together, guys. But there's a ton of other great people that post on here. If this can help any of you that are struggling with any ideas, definitely let me know. Updated with me. It's been a lot of fun, especially doing the card kits. Though, like I said, those went flying off of my hands. So if you are stuck and can't get product to move, definitely do mystery bags because I've seen a lot of people wanting to buy them. But anyways, I'm rambling. So like I said, just subscribe, leave a comment, and I will catch you guys in the next video.